Now, Scott, don't look down on this one.
It's like the bridge I don't like.
When you can look down.
I don't.
There was one time in Massachusetts, there was a railroad track bridge, and there was like this much space in between each foot.
Oh.
I mean, you could fall through.
I don't like stationary
That was
high.
the time we called Tom to come get us.
Wait, what? Why'd you call Uncle Tom to come get you?
Because
And you.
someone couldn't make it all the way back.
So he came and
We
like
had
picked him up.
children.
I don't even remember. I barely remember it.
I don't. I hated the one that we went into that we had to crawl. There's when we crawled and it was like in a mountain and there was water. There's like really tiny passages.
Awesome.
I hated
Don't
it.
play with it, hon. This is why they're closing the park, because people are playing with stuff. Playing with the germs.
Germ. What germ? It's out here in nature. For one, the sun supposedly kills it anyways.
Really?
Yes.
Yes.
So, that's what I'm saying. Closing the parks is ridiculous. Because this vitamin D from the sunshine is what you need.
Alright.